Yeah, welcome everyone. Yeah, this is part three why I took this forest trade, and I'll be explaining why I took the forest trade of today. Why I actually took the trade for today. We can clearly see that the trade was actually moving for a buy. You could see that it was going for a buy. Clearly, the price was buying. But why the price was buying, I encourage my people. I say what? Sell. In fact, look at what I say. Sell, guys. Look at it here. I told them to what? To sell. You see, I told them to what? To sell. I say sell, guys. Why? Because I saw something in the market that we warrant the trade to end up in a sell. And this is why I'm here to share with us this thing that made me to go for a sell and we actually make profit. Now guys, before we go deep into this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel at all, kindly do that. Please click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a video like this. Turn the notification bell on and then subscribe to our channel. Let your learning be methodically done. Let it be methodically done, not haphazardly. I don't want you to learn today, tomorrow you are confused. No. Let it be methodically done. Please. You know, what I do here is I teach based on method. I don't jump up and down. I teach based on method. So people will understand an aspect very well before they move to the next aspect of forex and also crypto. So subscribe to this channel and also share with your family and friends so that they will know that there's a place that they can be taught methodically, and then their trading experience will actually improve. Their trading experience will actually change because we don't just trade anyhow. We trade based on method. We follow method. We follow precept upon precept. So now we look at this trade. I will show you. Look at this trade. What we sold, why it was showing buying. You see, I told my people why we are going to sell this. Look at what I wrote here. I say this is a retest strategy. Jump and sell because it will fall like rain. That's what I told them. So jump and what and sell because it will sell like rain. Now look at what started happening. When it reaches this particular place here, if you notice, I sold more. Why? Because I am still confident that it will sell. So I entered more positions. Notice that the position was more than the position at this place. So I enter more positions. Now let's go up. Look at the profit at first. We have $1, $2, we're having $6, $5, and then the journey began until we reach here. We reached here, and look at the profit. Something of $1 now has turned to $6. It has turned to $7. It has turned to $11. So on and so forth with many cents. And then here comes the continuation, and look at the profit made. Now something of $1 has turned to $9 and $10, and then we have seen what, $14. Now guys, look at this. Let's go back to the strategy. Now there was a break of structure here. Look at it. There was a break of structure here. This is the structure. So there was a break downward, and for every break there must be a retest. Price must come back to test if that place is actually a verified area of support or resistance. Now this is the strategy. This is the backbone of the strategy that I apply today. When I saw the break and I saw it going backward, I knew that it was what, mere retest. I knew it was mere retest. So when it broke, I saw it going like this up. I knew it was a mere retest. Why? Because price will definitely come to test this level. And apart from that, the market makers gave us stop hunt and it went above the structure. That's the resistance that we're having previously. Now many people will think that it will want to go for a buy, but it won't. Why? Because it is just a mere retest that is happening. So it began to what? It began to sell. It began to come down. After testing this particular area, it began to come down for a sell. And look at what happened. Look at what happened. Look at what happened. You see it, after the retest at this particular place, it began to what? It began to sell. Now signifying that it has tested this particular region and it could not break above the region. That's why there is a rejection of prices. Now look at it. Look at this. You see rejection of high price. This is rejection of high price. And after you have seen this rejection of high price, just put at the back of your mind that it will definitely start selling. Why? Because there's rejection of high price in the market. Look at it, rejection of high price in the market. This is the particular thing, rejection of high price in the market. After the rejection of high price, we saw that price began to what? Fall. It began to sell. It began to sell. Price began to fall, which is to sell. Which is to sell. And I did not stop there. I alerted my people that this is what is happening. And then we entered, we make profit, which is for the sell. And after which we held it until we reached this particular place before we were able to. And now, what is the name of the strategy? Break and retest. Break and retest. There must be break of structure, and price will come to test the break of the structure before price will continue the trend at which the structure was actually what was actually broken. So guys, this is just what I have to share with us today. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I remain Mr. Joshua.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.